Hey guys, today I'm proud and happy to announce that my low poly FPS game kit for Unity is now available from the Unity Asset Store. This is the first version with over 70 models and a complete minigame as demo. The link is added to the description below. Here is the demo scene in Unity 2019 and you can see the meshes for the environment which are available as prefabs as well that you can use out of the box. There are 3 weapons for the FPS player, a knife, a pistol and a rifle. More weapons will come soon. All the weapons can be used as pickups, just drag them into the scene. You can also assign the weapons to the inventory of the player in the editor before the game starts. Okay, but now let's see some gameplay with this demo level. These features are added and set to done on the Trello board for version 1.0, but the development for the next version has already been started. At the moment I'm planning the features on this new board, for instance integrating the universal render pipeline, new weapons like a grenade or an auto-reloading feature. Currently I'm already modeling a rocket launcher. So get the asset now. All the updates are for free, and if you have special feature wishes, please add these to the comments below so I can take them into consideration. Okay guys, I hope you liked the game kit and my channel. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Support me by being my patron, follow me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one here on Jayanam.